Don't mess with me. I'm a ring light owner, so don't mess with me. Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to do an unboxing video today. So I actually got this. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see this. I actually got this from someone special to me, and this box contained a ring light and another item in it, which I'm not going to tell you what other item is it, and the other item will be unboxed in a separate video. But this ring light is a 12 inches ring light, which right now I am going to unbox it for you guys to see. And a quick one, a short story. This ring light, this entire thing was bought from Amazon, and like I said, it's a gift from someone special to me. So it was gotten from Amazon, and I think it's up to 2 months now that this item was gotten, but due to Amazon don't ship some particular item to Nigeria for the reason I don't know. So the sender took it to USPS to ship it to Nigeria to me, which I was tracking the item, and they told me that the item will get to Nigeria after 9 days. And on the 9th day, which I was supposed to receive the item here in Nigeria, the item was returned back to the sender. When the sender went back to USPS to ask what was the reason why the item was returned, and they said because the box contained some batteries in it, so that was the main reason why they couldn't ship it to Nigeria. And so we were looking for other means to ship it here to Nigeria, which we tried to use UPS, FedEx or DHL, but guys, the fee was way more expensive. It was even expensive than the items in the box. So I tried to contact a friend of mine here in Nigeria, which he introduced me to someone who does a logistic business from the US to Nigeria and from Nigeria to US, and the price he charged us was okay. Yes, the price was okay, like and he assured us that I am going to get my goods in 8 days, 7 to 8 days in Lagos, and from Lagos they have to send it down here to Kano. So this is it. I'm sorry for the long story about the shipping processing, but if you want the logistics guy Instagram handle, I am going to link it here in my description box, so you can, like, he is genuine. Like, I will give him a 10 out of 10. He is reliable, guys. So let's get into the video. Let's unbox the item. Guys, I am so excited for getting this video. Oh my god! The moment is here! Ta-da! So guys, let's do this. Let's open the ring light together. So let's see what's in here. This is a tripod stand. Oh my god, I'm excited. god. Oh my god. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. Oh my god. Let's see. And this is the moment. This is the moment. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this is the ring light. And what is this? I got something again. I don't know what this is, but this is the manual I will use, because this is my first time of getting a ring light, so I don't know how to go about this, but let's do it together. Okay, this is a tripod, so I don't know what this is. How does this thing work? Gosh, I'm not going to spoil my... Let me just check the manual first. Wow, look at this. Guys, can you see this? Can you see this? So then I can screw it back again. These are the legs. Okay, I have to do it. Wow, guys. Oh my god. Can you see this? Oh my god. This is actually, it's long, guys. Okay, let me open the other leg. Wow. Guys, can you see this? Let me open the other one. Oh my god. Oh god. Wow. Guys, this is actually how it looks like. Can you see? It's way more tall than I thought. Okay, after opening this, you have to take it back so that the stand will stand well, because you've done... Okay, this is short. Okay, you have to clip it back. Can you see? You have to clip this back also, like so, like so, guys, like so, like so, and voila. Guys, so excited. Okay, so this is the ring light itself. So I have to bring this down and I'll screw it this way. Okay, keep on. I don't want to spoil this thing. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's screw it. I don't want to hear anything, any story that will touch the heart. So let me just do it gently. Gently. Voila! Guys, can you see? Can you see this? Can you see this? Oh my god! Okay. This is how it looks like. It's so tall. So I don't know what this is, so let's check and see what is this actually. I can see it have a remote control, here is for Android and here is for iOS. If you have Android, you press here. If you have iOS, you press here. So this is a remote control. And what is this card for? Okay, this is actually the name of the ring light. I will put the description in my description box for if you want to contact them or you want to register your product or any other thing. This is their card. So let's do this. I think this is the phone holder. So let's screw it. God, oh my god, I am loving this. Yes, I am loving this, guys. You can do it this way, you can do it this way. But I don't know what the screw, there's something like screw here. I don't know what it stands for. I don't really know what this screw stands for. Can you see? So, I don't know. This is for the adjustment. If you want to adjust this, if you want to adjust it, like so, like so, like so, like adjustment, adjust, guys. And it came in with a USB cord. This is the USB cord, and this is I don't know, I think this is the off thing, and I don't know what this is. Maybe this one you use it to change. I have a power bank. I am going to use this power bank for the ring light. So let's on it and see what you can see. Okay, let's on this thing and test it. I am and actually didn't get any problems or troubles while fixing this ring light, and I recommend it for you guys. If you want to use, if you are a new YouTuber, you can actually use this ring light. So let's on and see. Oh my god, wow, this is beautiful, guys. Oh my god, guys, can you see this? Can you see this? Right now, okay, if you want to fix in your phone, right now I am a ring light owner, so don't mess with me. So let's change. I think this is where you change that. Oh my god, can you see me, guys? Oh, this is beautiful. Don't mess with me. I am a ring light owner. Let's change again. Oh my god, I am in love with this ring light. So let's try my phone with the ring light and see. So I'm actually using my Samsung to try it because it says iOS or Android. So I am using my Samsung first of all to try this. Okay, let's do this. I think okay. So you can do it this way or we can do it this way. So let's do it. Guys, I don't know how to use this, but I will figure it out. So I don't really know what this remote control is for, but I will check the manual to see what this remote control looks what it's actually used for. But so guys, this is how it is. And so guys, this would be the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do the needful, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and like, and don't forget to turn on your notification icon. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.